Now let's take a closer look into what makes the SLM 500 so great. And for that, I would like to ask my colleague Kai to walk us through.
Starting with the heart of it all, the process chamber. The place in which our patented SLM process takes place to deliver the best quality in the shortest amount of time. Key ingredients: superior gas flow, powerful lasers, efficient recoating, precise leveling, and a thermally stable inert environment. Basic setup. We've got the 280 by 500 mm substrate plate fitted in a removable build cylinder right here. It also comes with 200-degree preheating. Thin layers of powder are spread by our patented recoater. It runs bi-directionally, meaning we don't have any dead idle time, therefore higher productivity. Right here at the top we have our 4 optics, each featuring 700-watt lasers. Next to it comes the LCS, our layer control system. This is a quality assurance feature that takes pictures of the powder bed before and after recoating. LCS comes with every SLM machine as a standard, and we've just launched the latest version of it, LCS4, featuring 8-megapixel cameras for crisp images to detect any failures, such as a layer that is not fully covered with powder. LCS then triggers another recoating to fill the layer. If that doesn't help, LCS can also pause the process and automatically alert the operator. Let's talk a bit more in detail about the gas flow. The gas flow carries away any soot or spatter so that the powder bed remains clean, but also the beam entry glasses and the entire process chamber. That task becomes particularly challenging the more laser power you use, the longer a build lasts, and the larger the area of exposure is. Also, the powder material itself plays a vital role, as some materials like steels or Inconel also produce more smoke and soot than other materials. After years of research and after many experiments, CFD simulations and prototypes, we rely on our sintered wall with active gas cooling and PFM, providing a stable gas flow with clean and cool gas for excellent part quality, even when going full speed.
Would you like to learn more about us, our products, or specifically want to start your journey with the SLM 500? Then visit us at nikonslmsolutions.com or get in touch with your regional sales manager. Our highly skilled team of application engineers supports you by analyzing your part and performing an accurate business case analysis, including total cost of ownership prediction. Because at Nikon SLM, we see our customers as partners, and it is our mission to empower yours.